Welcome to the Libby App tutorial with me, Mrs. M. Libby is this app that's this maroonish color with the blue book. That's the app we're using today. Tap Libby to open it. And the first page, it's asking, do we have a library card? Yes, we do. We do now. Yay! Tap yes. And I'm going to let it guess my library because it's going to take my location. And it's going to pull up the Havelock Library. And I do want to enter my library account details. Now this information is actually your student ID number, your child's student ID number, with the word Craven ahead of it. C-R-A-V-E-N. Just Craven, and then the number, no space, no nothing. And then the PIN number is actually the last 4 digits of that student ID number. If you don't know your student ID number, get a hold of your teacher and they can help you get that number. So there it is. Now we have the library card. Yay! I'm going to tap next. And now I'm just kind of browsing, looking to see what's going on here. I want to go look at kids. So I tapped Explore and onto Kids. So now I've set this. I want to apply this filter everywhere. That way we can make sure that the students are reading age-appropriate books, right? Just kind of browse. Oh, there's Number of the Stars, Call of the Wild, Pax by Sarah Pennypacker. That was a Battle of the Books book a couple years ago. Harry Potter. Watership Down, Wrinkle in Time, Anne of Green Gables. Lots of good options here. But this is simply just browsing. And here's some more books. And I actually think I want to get more specific instead of just browsing. Never hurts to browse. Browsing is always a fun time. Oh, look, books about pandemics. How appropriate. So I'm going to search for a book. I tapped the magnifying glass. I want to look and see about 39 Clues. Super popular books. And look, we've got 5 of them. So some of them are checked out. That's what place hold means, which if you want that specific book, tap place a hold and it'll automatically appear one day. It's magical. So I tapped on this 39 Clues, and I'm just going to listen to the sample. So I'm just testing it out, see if it's something I'm really interested in. It's going to take a little bit because it is an audiobook, so that means it's a larger file. So let's see. Well, that sounded like a great book. I'm going to borrow it. So tap borrow, B, there we go. And I'm going to tap borrow again. And now it's mine for 14 days. I get to enjoy this book. So now that we have a book, how about we check out some of the features of what we can do? So I'm right now messing with the speed of the recording. You can go faster. I just tapped the pancake stack. Oh, here's the bookmark. You can make notes. Ooh, sleep timer. Tapping the moon. I know I like to listen to audiobooks to fall asleep, but I don't want to miss the whole book. So now I want to return the book. So I tap that pancakes again and tap return the book. And tap return again. And it's no longer in my possession. Oh, here's some stats. That's kind of cool. Nice. I only read 0% of this title. That's a bummer. Okay, so now that we know how to access a book, let's look at some other features. There's the Learn Libby app, or the Learn Libby section that can help you better understand how to use it. Let's tap it, see what happens. Oh, it gives us all different options. Oh, look, I already have one that says done. Well, it's because I already returned a book, so I know how to do it. But here are lots more directions and helpful tips. And then let's go back to the library, huh? So I'm just getting back. And that is it for your Libby tutorial. I hope you find this helpful, and I hope you find a lot of great books. Happy reading, everyone. Bye.